question is, who do you trust with your personal information? Do you trust a third party to manage it and ensure that they're going to have your best interests at heart, or would you rather have a system that forces everybody to play by the same rules? And that's what blockchain technology can provide, and it mandates. What's value in information? Like, is value money? Well, then we have to define money. Is value currency? At the end of the day, value is something that you want that I have, and something that I have that you want, and there's an exchange, and that's value. I can trade you a hammer for a saw if that is something that you're willing to exchange, and there was an exchange of value. People, agents, free agents, are the ones that define value through the act of transacting it. It is defined through its own process. I think we need to really step back and consider that value isn't money, value isn't gold, value is the process through which we exchange. And blockchain technology and peer-to-peer exchange is the machine that facilitates that exchange, that transaction.